get 3 months for free. NordVPN, cybersecurity built for every day.
For 170 years,
since 1852,
women who have received that small blue box from Shreve have looked at it and known
for sure
that they are more precious than diamonds,
more valuable than gold,
and very, very special.
Because a blue box from Shreve means that someone is still very much in love.
We believe that someone will be coming soon.
With a box in Shreve,
whether you lean right, left, or you're somewhere in the middle, start your day with Armstrong and Getty on KSFO. Then it's Bongino, Hannity, Levin, and Shapiro. This is the Bay Area's home for conservative talk. 560 KSFO San Francisco, a Cumulus Media station.
Ticketmaster is trying to explain the concert chaos that was caused when seats to Taylor Swift shows went on sale.
In a late Friday night statement, Ticketmaster apologized to Swift and her fans who this past week endured delays and errors in the verified fan pre-sale for shows on the upcoming U.S. leg of her concert tour. Ticketmaster says the demand, driven in part by bot attacks, resulted in traffic on its site 4 times higher than the previous peak, disrupting performance and reliability. The company estimates about 15% of those using the site had problems. But despite all that, more than 2 million Swift tickets were sold last Tuesday, the most for any artist on any day.
Fox's Kevin Uretsky. More headaches at Twitter as more employees, hundreds more, leave the social media giant. The continued exodus follows an ultimatum by CEO Elon Musk. A Catholic bishop wants out of the church.
A bishop of the Roman Catholic Church in upstate New York has asked the Pope to remove him from the priesthood. 84-year-old retired Bishop Howard Hubbard of Albany made the unusual request Friday, a day that just happened to be designated by the UN as the World Day for the Prevention and Healing from Child Sexual Exploitation, Abuse, and Violence. Hubbard, who has admitted he covered up for predatory priests and who has himself been accused of sexual abuse, requested to be laicized because he could no longer function as a priest. Requesting voluntary laicization